Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie CAD, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily live members only Zoom meetings, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, the Aussie CAD, to me, I think this is likely making another three-wave pattern. I think this is a 1, 2, 3 waves up, which I think is either going to go up to the top of this trend line or maybe even go up and take out these previous highs. This is the monthly time frame though, so that probably is going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly, we are definitely going down very strong right now, as you can see, but this move down is actually happening shortly after taking out these previous highs. I think there's a good chance this move down is going to be a crescent to this last move up, but we'll have to keep an eye on it because right now it is technically 1, 2, 3 waves up, so it possibly could make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down before it actually does end up continuing back up. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the fact that this is definitely 5 waves and this is a crescent and this is definitely 5 waves makes me think that possibly this is some sort of an ABC. Maybe this is actually supposed to be like a wave A right here, and this is like an irregular wave B, and we are potentially now going down for a wave C, which could even take out this low, or possibly it could make a higher low if it's like a running ABC crescent, like a running flat. It's not really a running flat because it did take out the previous highs, but definitely could end up turning into something very similar to that. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I left my Fibonacci retracement on here, even though it's really not helping anymore, because I just wanted to show that normally when price takes out the 78%, normally it will take out the previous lows. I think that because this is 3 waves up, that we're likely now making 5 waves down. The 4 hour time frame, 4 to 8 hour time frame, is showing us a very clear cycle of low, high, low, high, low, high. And as long as it continues to make that cycle of low, high, on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, then we should definitely be primarily looking for shorts on like the 1 hour time frame range. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely don't really think this is over. I think shortly after it takes out these previous lows, it probably will make a more significant pullback. But as long as it doesn't take out this high right here, I'm definitely very bearish. It can go up quite a bit. As long as it doesn't take out that high right there, then it is still making lower lows, lower highs on the 4 hour time frame, and it is very likely still just going to keep on making those lower lows, lower highs. Like I said, as long as our roadmap higher time frames continue to make this series of lower lows, lower highs, then I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially if I see 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. Some of these are 1, 2, 3, some of them are not. This is almost a perfect 1, 2, 3 pattern. This is almost a perfect 1, 2, 3. This one is not really so much. I mean, there is kind of 1, 2, 3 waves in there, but definitely a little messy. So if we do see a nice 1, 2, 3 way pullback, if we see a nice lower high, especially if it does start to make a move up, we can throw our Fibonacci retracement on here. We can look for 3 waves up. We can look for impulsive down for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.